Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I am hiking here in Arkansas. Today is going to be an exciting day because I am going to hike to one of the tallest waterfall here in Arkansas. And I'm going to take y'all with me. So I'm actually staying at this cabin. It's the Morning Glory Cabin at Buffalo National River here in Arkansas. I just woke up and I am getting ready to go hike, and I'm really excited for this day. So let's get this day started. So I'm about to hike to the tallest waterfall here in Arkansas. I am about to hike the Hemmed In Hollow Trail. It's supposed to be a really tough hike, but I'm really excited to do it. It is a beautiful day actually today. The sun is out, it's shining bright, and there is no rain, so that's exciting. This is my first time actually doing this trail. I've never done it before, and I'm excited to take y'all with me. This trail is 2.5 miles to the falls, and then 2.5 miles back up, but it's all downhill going to the falls, and which means that it's going to be all uphill coming back. So we'll see how it goes. If this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you can keep up with all of my hiking adventures, and don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up. So as you can see, the trail is mostly wooded, lots of trees, lots of shade, which is really nice. And there's these steps, trying to get down, making sure I watch where I step so I don't trip over a rock. But yeah, so far so good. I hear water and seawater, so that means I am getting close to the falls. just walked right into a big spider web. Oh my gosh, that was gross. Looks like I'm going uphill a little bit. So, just saw some other hikers coming from the falls. Guys, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just gotta make my way through these rocks. I made it to the falls, and it's not as much water as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty. Water is coming from up there. It's pretty high up, over 200 feet. So let's get closer so I can get a closer look. I'm right underneath the waterfall, and it's absolutely beautiful. So this trail, climbing back up, was actually really tough. Not gonna lie, it is a steep climb back up, but totally worth it. I'm so happy I did this trail. Definitely recommend this trail. This is actually the equivalent of climbing up the Empire State Building, which I thought was pretty cool because I've actually taken the elevator of the Empire State Building, and now I feel like I've climbed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all of my adventures, and I will see y'all on the next hike.